Hi, good morning. Paul here with Spaulding Team, Berkshire, Hathaway, Nevada Properties. Today is September 13th, Friday the 13th. It's another almost a half a month gone from September already. Boy, these days fly by. So let's see what's going on in the Las Vegas real estate market. New listings. We've got about 18 of them already this morning. And this little one here, 99.8, no pictures. A little 492 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. Wow, built in 1942. Where is this little sucker? Eastern and Charleston. Interesting. Wow. And what size of lot is it on? Good size lot too. Cute like a chihuahua. Interesting. Okay, we'll wait and see what the pictures look like on that guy. Let's see, let's go down the bottom here. The highest priced one on Plum Hollow, $875, which is 3,200 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage with a pool. Built in 99. Looks pretty clean. That pool area look like? Nice organized closet. That's fun to see sometimes. Tile in the bathroom. Covered patio. Backs up to open area there. No spa. A lot of pictures of and where is this? This is Anthem Country Club. Yep, that's what it is, Anthem Country Club. Alright, $875. Okay, then yesterday we had this little guy here. Little condo, 7,800 square feet. 7,800 square feet. 77.9 is a purchase price. 671 square feet, 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Just a older condo. Looks like it's pretty clean though. Been refurbished. Over on Vegas Valley. Right there in Maryland and Vegas Valley. Right near the college there. Okay. Let's go on to the next set. Okay, highest priced one. 6.5 million, 10,000, almost 11,000 square feet. 5-bedroom, 7 baths, 4-car garage, pool spot, 2011 built. On the golf course. Very ornate. Love that ceiling. Huh. Master suite with a sitting area. cellar, game room. Workout room. Putting green. Interesting. Where is Meadowhawk? At the Islands? McDonald Highlands? Nope. Where is it? Oh, clear over in the southwest. Okay. Gotcha. Alright. So let's get back over here to under contract. We have 553 under contract. 412 sold recently. Today is the 13th. Nothing's been reported yet today. Lowest price yesterday was a $55,000 manufactured home over on Twain. Pretty rough looking, but 55 grand. Probably get a lot with it, yeah. Oh, big quarter-acre lot. That's nice. Okay. Can do a lot with that property. And lots of them closed yesterday. 12, 12, 12. 12, 12, 12. 12, 12, 12. That's 100. 103 yesterday. Wow. 3.4 million. Almost 8,000 square feet. 5 bedrooms. 7 baths. 4-car garage. Pool. Spa. Nice. Nice. Yep. Nice house. Donald Highlands. Pay cash for it? Yep. Wow, nice. And he's on the market. 108. Okay, then on the 11th we had out of the area Pebble Beach Boulevard, 105,986 square feet. Just your basic condo. Jones and okay. Basic condo. Okay, and this one over on Canyon Valley, 2,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage, pool spa, built in 99. Closed on the 11th. I like that. I like those folding doors. It's really nice. Okay. And Canyon Valley is in the southwest. Oh no, it isn't. Kind of up the northwest. Summerlin area. Okay. Well, I think that's about it for today. Don't see anything else urgent on here. And I will talk to you later. 11 minutes in. Talk to you soon. Bye. Paul Spaulding, Berkshire Hathaway, the Spaulding team, at your service.